What's up, y'all? So I am going to try to put these lashes onto my eyes. And they came in this little packet here from that place we all order from. It came with the bond and seal and this little tool here. But I can't put on my eyeglasses to put on eyelashes, so we will try to do our best. And normally I forget what length I put on each side. Try to keep them even is what I'm going for. Trying to keep them even on each side. So I'm gonna try to remember today. So yeah, let's just hop right into this, y'all. First, what we do is we use the bond side of this on our lashes. And my lashes are all cleaned up because I went on and washed, washed my face, washed my lashes, so that I wouldn't have any problems with this sticking. Okay, so I've picked out which lashes I'm going to use so that I can know on each side what I'm using. That's what I should have been doing all along. I'm gonna try to do this with y'all right here.
That you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek? Or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That was letting go back. Hurt so bad. Had to block out the memory. Yeah, started from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone since you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away, since you've been gone away. You've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Yeah. Since you've been gone away so long. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going away. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me.